Every day holds the possibility of a miracle. Peace must come from inside. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. The eyes are useless when the mind is blind. There is nothing more attractive than kindness. I am not young enough to know everything. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Look at the person in mirror. The universe doesn't allow perfection. Happiness can't come from without, it must come from within. If you want to tell people the truth, make them laugh, otherwise they will kill you. The most important point is to accept yourself and stand on your 2 feet. Be kinder to yourself and then let your kindness flood the world. No great artist ever sees things as they really are. If he did, he would cease to be an artist. If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. A small act is worth a million thoughts. Humankind can't bear very much reality. Waste no tears over the griefs of yesterday. I raise my voice not so that I can shout, but so that those without a voice can be heard. For fast acting relief, try slowing down. Dwell on the beauty of life, watch the stars, and see yourself running with them. The ability to observe without evaluating is the highest form of intelligence. Achievement brings its own anticlimax. Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know that it was open. What it lies in our power to do, it lies in our power not to do. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Sunshine all the time makes a desert. It's not about how much you do, but how much love you put into what you do that counts. Why are trying so hard to fit in when you are born to stand out? Accept no one's definition of your life. Define yourself. One of the best gifts we can give ourselves is time alone with God. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. The pendulum of the mind oscillates between sense and nonsense, not between right and wrong.